Hey guys, what's up? Why is the word there? Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. I am so excited to finally be doing this and meeting you guys. This is an introductory video for not only myself but also my channel and the different platforms that I am starting. I am so excited. This has been in the works for so long, and I just want to thank everyone whoever told me that I should do this. Thank you for planting the seed, because you are one of the reasons why I am doing this. This is crazy that I'm actually doing this. I have thought about doing this for so long, but anyway, I know what you're probably thinking. Yes, there is a tutorial on this look coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. So this is how we're gonna do it. I'm going to go into some very basic information about myself. Then I am going to excuse me, am I getting the cold? No, it is not the coronavirus. Right. So get to know me, who I am. I just want you to get comfortable so you can know who it is that you're going to be seeing from on now, who it is that you're going to be listening to. I didn't want to just start this YouTube channel and just randomly putting out videos without letting the people know who I am. That's rude. I mean, if you walk into a room and you see a stranger, you don't want them to introduce themselves, right? So that's what I'm doing. So my name is Verena Lake. Say it with me. Verena. 3 syllables. It's simple. It's easy. I've had people say Verena and all sorts of crazy things, but it's Verena. Pretty simple. I am 20 years old and my birthday is actually coming up in July. My birthday is on the 19th of July, so I am Team Cancer. Best to ever do it, Comment your horoscope down below. As a matter of fact, not just your horoscope, your name, where you're from, your horoscope. Because I want to get to know you guys too, to know who's watching my content. So your name, where you're from, and what's your horoscope. Let me know if you're a Team Cancer, and if you are, what's up? Okay, moving right on into it. I am a makeup enthusiast, or MUE. I have been dabbling in makeup for the past 4 years. It's something that I've always been interested in. I just really love it, and it just makes me feel really good. So notice that I didn't say that I was a makeup artist though. I'm not a makeup artist. I am a makeup enthusiast. I do not do other people's makeup. An interesting fact that about me that I'd probably like to share is that I am vegan. Yes, I'm vegan. Yes, there are black people on this vegan train, and maybe you should join too, sis. It'll change your life. I promise you, you'll feel better. You look better. Hop on the train. I'm waiting for you. Let's go. Let's go. You're not coming on the vegan train? All right, eat your fried chicken then. And then post pictures about how you want a summer body. Make it make sense. Let me just give you a little information about my education. I studied at the Dominica State College in Dominica, where I studied geography, biology, and physics. So yes, I was a triple major, and I graduated with first class honors in all of my majors. And currently I am here in the US pursuing an undergraduate degree at the Pennsylvania State University, and I am majoring in surveying engineering, or land surveying. I am aspiring to be a land surveyor, and that stemmed from my interest in geography all the way back from high school. I did it in college, and this is currently what I'm doing here. So I have hooded eyes. Now you probably would not notice because of my setup, but let me just see if I can come closer to show you. When I look up, you can see that there are creases in my eye, and it might not be so obvious on camera, but in person I have really deep set hooded eyes. And what are hooded eyes, you're probably wondering. You probably never heard the term before. Hooded eyes are characterized by having flappy folds or drooping skin from your eyebrow bone on the top part of your eye drooping over your lid or the base of your eye hair, so it makes your eye look very small. But I always struggled with finding somebody to really teach me how to do the makeup on my hooded eyes, how to make it look good on my particular eye shape, because you know, I would see all the other girls doing the looks, you know, bringing the cut creases and all these fun sexy looks, and then when I try to do it 99 out of 100 times, it was trash, bro. It was trash. It was trash. And then this eventually caused me to not like my eye shape, because I'm like, why can't I get it correct? But then I learned that I have hooded eyes, and you know, it's not that I can't do those looks on my hooded eyes, I just didn't know the know-how to do it, but now I do know. All right, another reason why I started this platform is because there wasn't a lot of representation. If you go on Google and go over to images and you try to look for hooded eyes, I'm not sure if you can see, but it's just a bunch of Caucasian women, and it may have like one or two black people or colored people, but that's the problem, it's just like one or two. And I just didn't feel like I could relate to a lot of people making that type of content for hood, even if it was for hooded eyes. But I mean, where's the melanin, you know? So that was another reason why I started this platform, because I had this problem. And you know what, it's not a problem, it's a unique situation. It's not a problem. I had these unique situations. One, I have hooded eyes. Two, I'm a black woman, and I was just trying to get someone on YouTube to fill that void, and I couldn't really do that. So I decided to step up to the plate and take on the task for all the other beautiful girls with hooded eyes out there who don't feel like they're represented. And this is why I made this channel, because I figure if I have those unique situations, there has to be at least 1 million people out there in the same situation that I am. So I'm here to represent for you, girl. Thank you so much for being here. If you are already present, don't forget to like this video if you're liking my vibe so far. So now that you know why I started the channel, let me just be more specific about what exactly I'm going to be doing here. So you're going to be getting makeup videos, and in those makeup videos you're going to be getting commentary on current events, entertainment news, things happening around the world and in our society. So this is what you are signing up for when you subscribe to my channel. And by the way, consider subscribing if you're liking the vibe, what's going on here so far. And like I said, there is going to be a tutorial on this look coming, so definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and look out for this tutorial that is coming soon. While I'm speaking on these current events, you're going to be getting an insight as to how I think and how my mind works. So basically, you're going to be getting it from a black woman, from my perspective, hence the name Melanated Messages. And the messages part comes from, again, me speaking on the current events, but then it's not just me informing you about it. I may just sprinkle in, you know, a little motivational message here, you know, a little inspirational message there, you know, besides just spilling the tea on what's happening. So that's why I decided to name my platform Melanated Messages. So now that you're a little acquainted with who I am, who it is you're going to be seeing, what it is that you're going to be getting on this channel, the reason why I started the platform and why I gave it the name, we're no longer strangers. Hey, thank you so much for being here again, and definitely go ahead, like I said, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you so much for being here, and I'm so excited to start this journey with you guys. Also, before I let you go, I do have a podcast under the same name, Melanated Messages, on anchor.fm. FM. I will leave a link to that in the description below. I know people are looking for ways to, you know, take in content passively sometimes, and you won't always have the time to just sit down and watch a video. So I definitely have you covered. I already do have some episodes up on my podcast that you can listen to, you know, so definitely check that out. And once again, thank you so much for joining me on today's video. Bye. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay coronavirus free. Okay.